Very good morning from London. Welcome to the European Morning Call for all our Talking Forex listeners. Starting with the Asian session overnight, there was some volatility in the Swiss currency. It weakened across the board, moving above the 123.00 level in Euro Swiss. There was the market talk at the back end of the European session yesterday that the Swiss National Bank may move its floor on the Swiss currency to around 125 in Euro Swiss. So they did get some reaction in the overnight Asian session. However, so far we haven't seen anything from the S&B this morning, so it's just come off its highest levels in Euro Swiss. Also, there was some volatility in the Japanese yen currency. It hit a brief low below 70, or just approaching 76.00 to the downside, before spiking back up just on some intervention jitters there. A Japanese official had no comment regarding any intervention into the yen, just saying that they continue to monitor the markets closely. So to keep an eye on the yen as we move through the rest of the session. Following the European equity open, we have seen some sell-off across all the asset classes, and also affecting the euro currency, which is weaker across the board. There is some market talk of a UK clearer selling in the pair, just as in the run-up to a couple of key data points today. Firstly, starting off with the FOMC, highly anticipated later on out of the US session, in which the FOMC is expected to unveil some further easing measures. So in ahead of the increased volatility, some market participants just squaring off their positions there. And in cable, also seeing some weakness regarding the strength in the dollar index, also in the run-up to the Bank of England minutes later on in the European session, in which there is some risks of some further members of the Bank of England perhaps moving towards some quantitative easing in the vote count there. So also just seeing some risk to the downside as the market participants price in the currency moves. Apart from that, it's been rather quiet overnight and this morning. As I previously noted, market participants keeping an eye out for the two key data points today, the MPC minutes and the FOMC rate decision later on in the US session. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.